Before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy. And if you haven't followed me on the gram yet, make sure y'all go follow your boy on Instagram, man. Y'all gonna see everything on there before YouTube. And shoot me a DM if you got any questions about anything. Oh, shit.
Just no regular shit.
Oh, shit. Kayla going stupid. Kayla finna drive the Scat. Kayla got that white Camaro over there, 10-speed SS. And he finna go on the drive in his car. I'm gonna be in the back seat. I'm just finna record. Yeah, no. So y'all stay tuned.
Just no regular shit.
Oh, shit. Kayla going stupid. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Dog shitting everything in this bitch. You should have went on that other road. If you kept straight, you should have turned at that next gas station. That's that bitch. That's why I do it. Wow, shit. Whip that bitch then, Kayla. Yeah, Kayla's driving this bitch like he stole it. How you like how that bitch feel though?
That bitch hard. That bitch hard. What you did to it? What you did to it so far?
Cold intake, throttle body spacer, Demon Springs, or catch cage.
You like how that bitch? Like which one feel faster to you? The Camaro or the Scat?
Alright, son. I'm gonna let you drop at the, like, when you drop my shit, I'm gonna let you see me on both.
Alright, bet. So yeah, he said he gonna let me try the SS.
But like this bitch, like my Camaro, like if I would've like, I don't know, this bitch more heavy than my shit though.
Yeah.
So like I can talk, like it's weird. I don't know how to explain it. But this bitch definitely like shit to I fuck with it. It's my first time driving a
Charger. Man, put that bitch in full track, man.
We gonna drop that mug in track mode.
Should I keep going?
Yeah.
Keep straight.
Kayla gonna want to Scat after this. Look how that bitch lifting up them Demon Springs.
For real. Demon Springs got my car lifted for real.
Bust a left.
Left?
Shit, yeah. You ever drove a 10-speed before? A Camaro?
I ain't never driven no Camaro at all.
Oh, Watch that. You gonna like that bitch, right?
I ain't never drive no Camaro.
I ain't allowed to fuck with these Scats, son, but once you get in a lighter car, oh shit!
He's jigging with it. That boy driving like his head, huh?
That bitch Caleb thugging in this bitch. Hey, he got me. I'm all over the place in the backseat.
Man, he really whipped that mug with the traction and track. That bitch really got sideways with the traction and track.
Turn around, let me chill.
Hey, keep straight, keep straight. Turn around at that Dollar General.
This bitch hard. Hey, fine.
What's the love right there?
Boy, this bitch hard. You gotta drop my shit though, son.
That's what I'm waiting on right there, for real.
You ain't never drive a Camaro, like never?
No, never. I ain't never drive no Camaro, bro.
Oh yeah.
I only rode them bitches.
Man, they got
Man,
chickens
they
and
got
shit.
chickens.
What the fuck? Think you should got a Scat?
You gotta do a 30 roll, bro.
Oh, look at that Tundra, that bit clean. Oh, Tundra. What kind of phone you got? The camera look good as a bit. A 13?
I think that's like 10 or 11.
It look way better than my camera, my phone. I got a 13.
It's been turned.
I might want an SS after I drive this shit.
Damn, you never drove a Camaro, son?
No, and I ain't never drive a
A
Camaro
10
at
speed
all.
at that. Watch, man. That bitch be shifting so fucking hard. Fast as a bit. Man, rich ass people, man. Look how they come through their fucking rich ass, man.
Enter in the exit in their driveway.
See that shit?
Yeah.
Switch the phone, man. My fucking hand and shit be hurting on this
Boy,
bitch.
my shoulder hurt like a motherfucker.
Shit. Your screen be doing that shit, son?
My screen be tripping.
It look like it, son.
That nigga got the screen tripping.
21s be doing this shit.
You know him?
I don't know, dude. Shit. Might with the 10 speed now.
With 10 speed, the backseat small. I gotta get in that bitch though. I gotta get the reaction.